They, there's a lot of
Repeat the question.
okay. Linda was asking how viable is catch and release. I mean, how often can a fish be caught, it's variable, and what kind of effects does it have on them? I have to say that's one of those questions that's variable depending on the skill of the angler, how deep caught the fish is, how water temperature, water quality, the species of fish. Some fish can handle it better. Bass can handle it pretty good when the water's cool. When it gets warmer, you know, Arkansas Tech's done work showing a lot of mortality and catch and release in the summertime, hot times of the year when oxygen's not as good and fish are stressed more easily. So it's one of those questions. There's not a good answer, but we manage for catch and release in some areas. I have to make a plug here that, in fact, I think probably the catch and release ethic has gone too far. You know, that where now in a lot of our fisheries, people will release up to 95% of the legal size bass that they catch, and trout the same way in some cases. So what happens is, you know, you have more and more fish in a system and less growth. And in areas like where we're trying to manage for trophy fisheries, and people aren't keeping some of the fish to kind of open it up and allow other fish to grow big, then the trophy management's not working as well as it could. But that ethic is there, so entrenched now that it's hard for people to. I mean, people are feel guilty when they keep fish, but you know, in most cases, they're pretty. That's a big part of the whole experience, and it's a valuable part, and it's good for you in most cases. And so, we'd like to encourage people to, where you know, to use that part of the resource. It's renewable.